All right, good afternoon. Getting the bikes out for a minute here today, and we're getting ready to take off on our trip. Uh, we're heading to Wyoming and Montana for a few, and we'll take the bikes with us, of course. So we ain't really had them out, got them put together, but we really rode them too much, but out in the driveway a couple times. So I'm gonna give you guys a little outlook here on the finished product, and kind of like it. It's a pretty nice little bike so far. Got a little cheesy horn on it though. That's not too much, but I don't think the headlights much either. It might help a little bit dark, but it's pretty sad too. So, but other than that, might not be bad. We'll find out here. We'll probably do a lot of miles on them for the next month when we're out of town. So, but yeah, gonna give you guys a little look here at these bikes, and it's pretty neat. So anyway, yeah, this thing's pretty cool. That little minus button is downshift, and of course this is upshift on that right there. So you can see over there, that's the gear you're in. So third, fourth, fifth. So that's it. And downshift, you just come back. So it's pretty cool. So that's just got, oh, that dims your lights. I knew that. And that's your trip and mileage and average and all that stuff there. So, and the foot thing, I ain't quite figured out the foot thing yet. Need to read the directions, but there's a foot right there. I don't know what that means, but anyway, it's pretty neat. So we'll make a little trip here, but and two, it's a 7-speed too. So over here, you got your 7-speed chain. So that's pretty nice too. And so far, what little I've been riding it, I've been leaving it in about third, and it seems I can pedal pretty good with it. So yeah, it's a pretty cool little bike, I think. So yeah, you don't have to pedal at all, and you don't have to shift it really. You can leave this thing in fifth gear and not even ever shift if you like. So, but you can shift as you go. It's gonna be cool. So downshift. But watch, I leave it fifth gear, and this thing just does normal. It ain't gonna matter. Right there's fifth. So right there about 26 mile an hour in the driveway, and that driveway ain't that long. So this thing's a little peppy for a bicycle. So, but I'm not pedaling or nothing. I'm just cruising. So you don't have to pedal on it. So, and I kind of like that too, quite a bit. So, so or you can just downshift, give you something to do. But yeah, it's right there's first gear wide open, so about 12 mile an hour, and not pedaling one bit. So, and right there's second gear, and 16 mile an hour looks like, going down a little bit of a hill. So let's go to third. And I'm still not pedaling at all. So So see what I do in third. So about 22 mile an hour in third gear. So that's not bad. It's scooting. So for what it is. So all right. Well, thanks for watching and subscribe. Hope you like. Have any questions about this bike, give us a comment. And hope to see you on the next one.